morning. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I think we're on part five today of using Anna Griffin's Simply Noel Scrapbook Kit, making a beginner's course for everybody. This is what we had left over. We can make a couple of cards to go with the gift that we're going to give, and here is the sample kit, sample sheet, and I didn't even look at it, and it's beautiful. But anyway, so let's put this off to the side and remove my sign so you know it was me. And this is what we're going to work on today. It's right here. This was yesterday's back page. So we're using a double-sided sheet of Anna's. It comes in the kit. And this is what the other side of it is. So we're using the red. And so here we go. You want to screenshot that? And now let's move this out of the way and tell you what we need. So here we go. We need 3 inches by 12, 2 pieces, and that's what the other side looks like. Now you could have chosen to use it this way instead of that color, but I really thought this popped more. So we need 2 pieces each. We need 2 of these. Did I just mess all that up? Let's see, 1 of these over here. I don't know yet. We need 2 of each of these, and it's the green. 1 for each page. We need 1 of these. Let's see, we need 1, 2. Let's see. We need 2 of these. Looks like we need 4 of these. And we need, it looks like we have 2 of these going that direction, and then 1 going the other direction, so that's 3. We need 1 of those, and that is the direction. They do have 2 different ones with different directions, but I really don't think it matters. We need 1 of these. Now, let's see, so we need 1 of these. And everything else is the same except for we're using the word Mary over here. So, okay, let's get started. Let me show you one more time now that you saw all the pieces. That's what it is. It is a little bit different but beautiful. So we're going to move this one over, and we're going to do the left side page first. So let's bring in the left page and copy it. I played around with this for a while to get the best that I thought would look good. So here we go. Let's hope that this is going directional, and I don't think I cut it directional. Let me see. It doesn't really matter, but I think I could have, nope, it's not cut directional. So when you're cutting your paper, this one is cut directional, this one is not, but it covers up so much you only see a little bit. So it might be just me saying watch your paper direction on this particular one. But yeah, watch your paper direction. And so let's get started. I don't think it's really going to matter. So let's make sure we're using the back side. So let's make sure it's going the right direction and not backwards for yesterday's layout. And let's make sure that this is straight. For some reason, it doesn't feel straight, and it's not. Why is it doing that? It's not feeling straight as I want it. Do it on the line. I wonder if our blade is making it not straight. There we go. This makes. There we go. Okay. So that was the right direction. Now with the ruler, let me see. Did I cover up the ink? Nope. I took this piece and I went on the red part. I did not cover up the green at all. So I took this piece. That's going on. Okay. So I butted it up against, and so I was covering up more of the red. So we have all 3 inches of the green showing, and that is so pretty. Now, let's see, we have these pieces. Let's see, I'm going to use this little one first. Tape it, and we stuck it right about here. Okay, then we use the little photo frame, and we stuck it right about here. Just make sure it's straight. A larger photo frame, we used about the same, about 1.5 fingers, and we put it about here. It was very fast. So this goes here. I was trying to remember. If you like the idea of the snow, put it right about there. And if you like the idea of the snow being swished, we could put this under here and swish it with snow. And I think I am. I think I'm going to add to that. So grab out of your stash if you want. And let's make it look like snow. He just landed on a roof or landed in a snowdrift and went whoosh. And add a little bit more character to there. So, let's see. Then we have 2 of these. So as you're making it, and then you say, you know, I have other pieces I can add to it. So we're going to put that there. And that's how you start off. You add 1 or 2 pieces and say, you know what, I can add a little bit to it. That's how you work with Anna's cards and her kits. And when I first started working with her so many years ago, I only wanted to use 1 or 2. And now I just go to town using. Now, sometimes she uses 7, and I can't do 7, but on a card, I do use 3 to 5 every time I have 3. So where does this go? This piece goes here. And when you start, if you want to start with the cards for this, it just makes it easier. You learn more and more how to work with so much embellishment. She gives you so much that it takes a minute to want to use so many. So what I'm doing is I am going to stick this, and I'm going to cut a little bit of that stem. One, because I put this a little closer than I should have. So let me see. Let me see if I can fix this. Let me move this up a little, and let me put this right there, and I got rid of that stem. Okay, now we have these pieces, and they're all more or less the same. So 1, 2. I only have 2 on here, so why do I have 3? I might have 1 extra. So since I have an extra, I am going to put 1 here, and I'm going to put 1 on the photo. And I'm going to save the other one thinking that I was probably looking for it for another layout. So this is going to go there. So let me see. Yeah. I bet I needed that somewhere else or on the other page. So there is the 1 page. And now we're going to move that one. And we are going to do this one. I might have needed it for here. I already told you everything that we needed. So hopefully that's where it got messed up because I kind of put them together. And I'm going to this is the back side, and we're not using the back side tomorrow. So, but I still want it to go in the right direction. And let's square that up. Is that not square? It is not squared up. And I am not happy about that. I'm wondering if my blade did not cut straight, but it is 3 inches. I don't know why I am struggling with getting it straight. Okay. Just the way I'm holding it. It wants to flare up because if you're pulling it, then it will lay flat. So, yeah, that's so much better. We know that we put this on top of the red. We did not put it on top of the holly. We put it right on top. So there we go. And then this one. Okay, so I just did that backwards. And thank goodness I can just rotate around and we're not using the other side. See, now it's matching. But before it wasn't. See what I did there? You see? And this feels like it's a little off. Yeah, it is a little off. I'm going to make this be straight. Here we go. Okay. So I'm glad I just twisted it and noticed it because I was working the other pyramid. So let me put this one here, do about there. But let me show you again what the project will look like because they're going to be, these two pieces are going to be in the middle together. Okay? Because I had it a little off. I was trying to rush. So I'm not going to rush. You can put me on 2 speed and I can talk like that. But I'm going to just do this. If you're here, you're here. And yeah. So let's put this right about here. We use the word Mary because it goes right here. Very merry, very happy times. Let's pick out these extra little stupid pieces. My floor is a mess. I clean every morning, every day before I go in because I don't want to walk into a messy bathroom. So we're going to put it right about there. Those are beautiful letters. Let's get this piece. And we're going to put it right about here. And let's see, what did we do here? We have this piece. We have it right about here. Let's get the other matching one. Put it together and we put them right about that. And get this piece. There's 2 different ones, but I don't really think it matters too much on this. I'm going to stick it right there. This is my extra little bows I don't need. And here, remember I said, why do I have an extra one? Well, it went on this page. So this is candy cane. They're so cute. And I'm going to set it right here. It pops really nice. And now we are going to use this. I'm going to cut that stem off a little bit. You could put the stem underneath the paper if you want, but I'm just going to stick it like that. And then these last 2 pieces. There's one in this corner and one in this corner. So with 4 of these all together. Stick one there, don't go off the side of the page, and stick one there. Now, if we had extras, of course we would have done this corner and that corner, but we didn't. So let's put it right about there. So there it is. There is your double page layout. So I hope you liked it. All the links are down below. I bought this on HSN or AnnaGriffin.com. So isn't that beautiful and fun? Thank you guys. Have a blessed day. See you tomorrow.